Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. So I have a 10 by 30 inch Blick canvas today. My black is already down. It's Artist Loft black mixed with floetrol and water. Colors I'm going to use today are all some metallics. I have Rust-Oleum warm copper. I have DecoArt 24 karat gold. I have some classic bronze by Rust-Oleum. I have some champagne by Rust-Oleum and some rust copper from copper penny. And what else do I want to put in there? Probably put some white like pearl in there. And do I want any? Yeah, I think that's all I'm going to do. All right, so I think I'm going to do a swipe. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it, but I had one mess up already and I had to scrape the whole canvas, and here is my cup of mess. So I'm trying one more. So if you're new here, please like and subscribe and comment. And if you want, go check me out on Instagram, TSR_creations. I always have different things going on over there. Some is the same, but I post a lot of my alcohol links over there. All right. So, yeah. Thanks for joining me. We'll play some music and paint.
Wasn't I meant to lie in your arms? when I